This will be just a quick video showing my procedure for reinstalling the T96 transmission with the overdrive on my 1963 Rambler American. And this is the overdrive transmission and T96. Once again, won't be able to read there. Maybe you can. It's very dark. But this is probably a Ford transmission because of the very long housing. And the long housing makes it quite a bit heavier, and there's no balance. So it becomes very much hard to hold it. So it's very difficult to install it by hand while you're under the car. If this was just the other type of other transmissions, which are much shorter, about half the length, then I could just muscle it in there by hand. It's just 4 bolts that hold it. So what I did is I removed the plate that goes on this old jack that I have. Extremely long, extremely heavy duty, and very heavy, and probably very old as well. And so there's a hole that goes through the jack where the plate goes. There's that long part there. So it goes through that, and then I had this plate lying around. I plasma torched a hole on it so I could put a bolt through it. And then this transmission has 2 threaded holes at the bottom. You can barely see them. I don't think you can see them. They're right over here, the tip of my finger. And they're nice and flat, and I don't know if they would have gone on some sort of cross frame and rubber mounts there, but or maybe they were designed for us to use this here. So then I just drilled some holes on this plate, put some bolts through it, and now the transmission is mounted on the jack. So it makes it much easier to lift it, and then I can still move it around, and I should be able to reinstall it this way. This is not all jacks, unfortunately, have this removable plate, but this one does, so that's what I'm using. So there you have it.